which is celebrated every year as Republic Day. The Constitution of India was enacted and adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949, which we now celebrate as Constitution Day. But it was made effective only after 2 months, and this was done to mark the day in 1930 when India resolved to win complete freedom. From 1930 to 1947, every year, 26th January was celebrated as Purna Swaraj Day, and that was the day chosen to put the Constitution into force. The Constitution of India is the most significant document that embodies the hopes, aspirations, and values of our nation. It guarantees the fundamental rights of all our citizens and ensures that no one is discriminated against on the basis of religion, race, caste, or gender. The Constitution also establishes the framework of our parliamentary democracy with its system of checks and balances and its commitment to the rule of law. It is a system that has allowed India to thrive and prosper as a nation, and that was our nation concept was existing in this country from time immemorial. As Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar said, democracy is not merely a form of government, it is primarily a mode of association that is associated living of conjoined commercial experience, communicated experience. It is essentially an attitude of respect and reverence towards our fellow men. God ends. So this is with respect to our country's present situation, I would like to say the greatest achievements obtained by our state under the able leadership of our Chief Minister. Recently, we had occasion to obtain, achieve, and continue the developmental activities. I am in short mention that activities by putting his name. Details are not going, that is within the knowledge of every people who are residing in Goa and outside. Connectivity revolution in road and air. We have achieved great significant achievements in nowadays. We all know Mopa Manohar International Airport, RHS Corridor, New Subari Bridge, LHS Corridor, 4-lane of National Highway. Of course, all these schemes with the active support of Union of India, the Goa is effectively implemented. We can probably say we are more on the path of achievements. Her Jal certified districts are now in our state. 33 kV overhead line, rural village electrification, All India introduction of the inauguration of the All India Institute of Ayurveda. Our Chief Minister's Mukhyamantris Dev Darshan Yatra Yojana, Jan Jatya Gaurav Divas, International Ayurveda Conference recently held here. Purple Fest conducted effectively, a grand success. Resuming mining also is an important achievement of our state, and I congratulate all the concerned people